Hello students, today we're going to draw the bones inside of our ghost hand. It's pretty easy to just lay out where you know they're going to go and then thicken them in as bones. I'll show you what I mean. So in each finger we have 3 phalanges. You have kind of a short one, a medium one, and then your biggest one is down at the bottom. So inside each finger you can do 3 carefully placed dashes that will become bones. But inside the thumb, we have 2 phalanges. It just folds in half. So draw 3 in each finger. The next thing we know is that in our wrist, so take time to find just your wrist, leave space in the meat of your hand. We know that we have those little pebble bones. And so you can draw those, I think it's 7 little pebble bones. Actually, it's 8, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, on the side of our arm with our thumb is our very, very thick arm bone. So when you find your thumb, go down, and you're going to make a very thick arm bone that goes off the page. And it comes right up to your pebbles. They all almost touch. On the side with your pinky is a thinner arm bone. It's parallel with the thicker arm bone, meaning they go down. And then between your finger phalanges and these little pebbly bones, we have our metacarpals. And so carefully draw a long bone that connects from the bottom of each finger down to your wrist. All right, now the final step is to make these look less like a dash and more like a bone. So on every single bone, you're gonna make it a little bit thicker. You're gonna thicken it up. And especially at the joints or where your knuckles are, you can feel they're at their thickest. So imagine like a chicken bone in your head. We're very similar to other animals with the way our skeletons look. So I'm thickening all of these. And I'm trying to leave a space in between. All right, you get the idea. We'll pause this video and then you will get your paper and then we will draw together. All right, are you ready? You have to have your oil pastel in hand. We'll begin with our phalanges. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Make sure you stop at the finger. 1, 2, 3 in the pinky, but find your thumb. How many go in there? 2. Time to find your wrist. How many pebble bones inside your wrist? 8. Where does your really thick bone go? On the side with your thumb. Where does your thin bone go? On the side with your pinky. And then where do your metacarpals connect? Between the bottoms of your fingers and the wrist. Carefully thicken and make them bony. You may look at a real x-ray to get the shape of your bones just right. Have fun.